Hey there, I just wanted to show you some cards that I made with the stencil from EchoPark, which was the Santa Claus with the reindeer. And what's really nice about this stencil is you could do it this way, which looks like this. See that? Or you can flip it and it looks like that. So you can use it both sides either way. And I had intended to do one this way and one this way, but I messed up when I was inking my stencil, and I go, oh no, I forgot to flip it. That's why it's a little bit off, because this is the one that was supposed to have the Santa going this way. There was supposed to be a card like this and then one card like this, but hey, you know what? You go with what you got. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you at the next video. Please hit like and make a comment, good or bad, whatever. I'd appreciate all comments of any kind. And thank you so much, and feel free to pass this along and share with anyone else. Thank you so much, and see you until the next video. Have a great one. Hey, I'm back. I wanted to show you on this stencil from EchoPark that I got at the Tuesday morning haul. This is a Santa with some reindeer, and what's cute about this stencil is you can do it this way, or you can flip it and do it this way. And here is this way, and here's the Santa. And hope you can see this. See right in there, there's a little gap. I don't know why, but they didn't connect it. I don't know if it's for you to use it separately. I think it's what it is. It's meant for you to use it separately. But you notice they didn't connect it. But all you do is get a little black Sharpie and connect it. And that way it looks like it's all supposed to be there one strand. But it is kind of cute because you can actually see the shape. You can actually see Santa's hand. I hope that's in focus. I really couldn't tell, but I hope it is. And you can see the shape of Santa's hand and stuff. So these are just some cards that I made showing you the two different designs there. And technically this one was supposed to go this way, so I have one going this way and then one going this way. But when I went and laid it down on to go stencil it, I forgot to flip it, and it's like, oh. So I'm gonna make another one that way. That's why the moon is way up here on top, because technically my Santa was supposed to be going this way and stuff. But oh well, life happens. But anyway, I just used some little store-bought stickers, and I just got my cardstock, and I just used the this embossing ink stamping tool. These are this little removable foam squares. And it was a perfect size for this size card. So if FYI, if anybody's doing some moon backgrounds, sun backgrounds, this is a perfect size for this A2 size card. Just FYI. Let me get my ink off of there before I get any white ink on the back of these cards. And then these makeup brushes. This little narrow one is perfect for inking in and getting inside all the little grooves, especially on the little antlers. Because look, you can, okay, you can't see them very well there. Here you can sort of see, so that's one other thing to pay attention on these fine delicate dies, is on this one right here you can see the antlers, but these two you can't. So that's something you want to do, and these little narrow little bristles would get into that. So all I have to do is line it back up, and I could re-ink it and do it. But you know what? I'm not going to on these two. But I will definitely pay more attention to that next time. Oh, I got more ink on me. Gotta remember to, because these cards are white. I gotta get myself a wipey and get that ink off, because I don't want to touch these black cards and get white on there. I hope I didn't do that already. Nope, I didn't. Yay, I lucked out. Okay, let me get that. I'm getting that white off there. But anyway, so just wanted to show you. And I always like to decorate the inside of my cards, but on this, just want to let you know, is I just use the sponger and I put white on there, and I use my Stampin' Up! Classic White. And then I used the Stampin' Up! Yo-Yo Yellow. And I did the white, let it dry, and then I stamped it just twice, really lightly, with the yellow. So you can kind of sort of see the yellow glow of the moon. And then I got some of the white on this is an old block that I use for inking and stuff, and it's all beat up and stuff. But this is a good 15-20 years old block. And I just put your ink on there, spritz it with water, switch it on, get it really red, and then splatter. And then that's just a splatter technique to get the little snow going all over the place. And then this is just like I said, there was a sticker. And then here's my little message, and that's another set of store-bought stickers that I've had for years and years on there. So that's a finished project there. And then I did the same technique with this one, only on this one I inked all the way around the edges because I wanted something different. And you can see the difference between the inking on one edge and the inking on the red that doesn't have it. So it makes it it gives you a different look. And again, the moon, same thing, white with the yellow background. And the little Santa and the reindeer with the Let It Snow sticker message, and then my message on the inside that says Save Santa a trip, be naughty. So I thought that was kind of cute. I have a perfect friend I want to give that to. And that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and share when you're friends. I would love to get some more subscribers. And put any comments, good or bad. I love them all. And I thank you very much. And you have a wonderful day. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.